Today, our ELA lesson is going through reading on someone's family tree, someone named Todd. So the code you need is UYSAL. Again, that's UYSAL. You're going to take that code and go to nearpod.com or the Nearpod app. We're going to go through this lesson a little bit fast, a little dense. The code is UYSAL to join. We're going to start the way that we always do with putting in our name. Just so I get to see all of your hard work. So we're reading Chapter 4, Todd's Family Tree. So a family tree is not like a regular tree. It's like branches because you look at who your parents are and who their kids are, and it looks like branches of a tree. So let's circle tree. So it's the ones with the pictures and the lines is a family tree. There's a tree in the background to show you that it's like branches. So when you're done circling tree, hit submit. The students learn about DNA in their family. They will make their own family tree. What is a family tree? So what are the students learning about? They're learning about DNA. It says the students learn about DNA. So we need to circle DNA. Okay, when you're done circling DNA, hit submit. Now here's a picture of a family tree. So a family tree shows a dad and a mom. When they have kids, it connects and then shows you who their kid is. Okay? So this is grandparents, and then this is the mom and the dad, and then together they had 3 kids, a girl, a boy, a girl. A family tree is a chart. A chart shows all the people in a family. Todd is excited to know about DNA in his family. So let's circle the word family because it's all a family tree is all about your family. So let's circle family. It comes up 2 times. Family, family, then submit. Do all people in a family look alike? Todd asked his mom about people in his family. Do people in Todd's family look like him? That's what he's wondering. So he wants to learn about his family and the family traits. So let's circle family on this page also. It comes up 3 times. Family, family, family. So I circled family 1, 2, 3 times. Can you? He's wondering, does everyone in his family look like him? When you're done circling family 3 times, hit submit. Todd looks at pictures of his family. Some people have green eyes. Some people have blue eyes. They have different DNA. So you're thinking about one of the traits that he's studying is the eye color. So let's circle eyes. Eyes comes up twice. 1, 2. We circled eyes. He's talking about eye color. What color are your eyes? My eyes are blue. What color are yours? When you're done circling eyes, hit submit. Todd's sister and mother have brown hair. Todd's brother and dad have red hair. Todd's brother and sister have their parents' traits. So Todd's sister's like his mom, and Todd's brother's like his dad, and we're talking about the traits. The color of your hair is a trait, something that you get from your DNA. So circle traits, hit submit. Todd works hard on the family tree. He finds people in his family who look alike. He finds people in his family who look different. Okay? So, does everyone in a family look the same? No. But he's looking at his family tree. Let's circle family tree. I circle family tree, you circle family tree. Here's an example showing Todd's family tree. When you're done circling family tree, hit submit. What have we learned? A family tree shows people in a family. People in a family share some DNA. Some family members look alike because of DNA. and some family members look different. So I have 3 brothers and sisters. We all don't look alike. Okay? So sometimes you look like people in your family and sometimes you don't. It's all because of DNA. So let's circle DNA. It comes up twice. When we're done circling DNA, hit submit. Okay, so we read about a family tree today. Can you circle family tree? Okay, and sometimes you look alike and sometimes you look different based on your traits. Let's circle traits. Traits are the color of your eyes, your hair, your skin, how tall or short you are, your traits. So we read about family trees and traits today. When you're done circling family tree and trait, hit submit. What is this chapter about? We did read about hair color, but that's not the only thing. We read about eye color too. Did we read about graphs? We read about charts, so that's a confusing question. What is this chapter about? DNA and families. So how you might look like someone in your family. What is this chapter about? DNA and families. What is a family trait? Is it a flower, chart, or plant? It shows a chart because you have your grandparents, your parents, and then you. So it's not a flower. It is a chart, and it's not really a plant like a tree. What is a family tree? A chart. A family tree is a chart. When you're done circling chart, hit submit. What does Todd look at of his family? Is he looking at pictures, magazines, or videos? What is he looking at? He looks through pictures to see who he looks like and the similar traits. What does Todd look at of his family? Pictures of his family. So I circled pictures, you circle pictures, then hit submit. What do Todd's brother and sister have? Do his brother and his sister have cars? Maybe, but we didn't read about it. Traits? They do. Their hair color is like their mom or their dad. Do they have phones? They might, but that's not what we read about. So they have traits. So I circled traits, you circled traits, then hit submit. And now we're on our last question. What is important to know about this chapter? That Todd's family is very large. Family time is important, where people in a family share some DNA. We don't know how big his family is. They didn't talk about spending time together, but they did talk about how we share some DNA and how we get some traits. So what is important to know about this chapter? People in a family share some DNA. So we circle that and hit submit, and you're all done rocking this lesson, this difficult lesson on DNA. I'm proud of you for getting through.